Let's quickly revise 10th Standard ICSE English Literature Poem 10, 9 Gold Medals by David Roth. This is a poignant record of a special incident which happened during the Special Olympics. This poem is a celebration of human values of sportsmanship, team spirit and compassion. Many differently abled people from all over the world had participated for this Olympics. They had given their sweat and blood to win the gold. They had been training for a long time. For the last event of the day, which was a 100-meter race, there were 9 athletes. When the race started, the youngest one of them stumbled and fell on his knees. He gave a cry in anguish and desperation. He felt as if his hopes were shattered. Then, something very unexpected happened. The remaining 8 athletes stopped in their tracks, they turned back and helped him. Then all the 9 athletes joined hands and completed the race together by walking. They showed that cooperation is as important as competition. This display of empathy was so overwhelming that each one of them was awarded a gold medal, making this Olympics truly special. The message of this poem is that we should rise above the cutthroat competition of this world and have compassion for everybody. Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you like this video, press the like button. If you would like to enroll for my online test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.